All right, we're going to take a look at number 24 on tonight's homework. And it's the instructions say use distributive property, solve the equation, check your solution. All right, so on number 24, I have parentheses. And parentheses in the order of operations always comes first. And that means I'm going to distribute. So let's start by distributing the 6 into the first parenthesis. So when we distribute, that means we multiply. So 6 times z is 6z. 6 times positive 2 is positive 12. Then we're going to distribute the negative 2 into the second parenthesis, because that's the number in front. Negative 2 times 2z is negative 4z. And then negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10, equals 18. All right, so the parentheses dealt with. All right, now I don't see any of the parentheses. I don't see fractions. Now let's go ahead and look at how do we combine like terms. So I always like combining like terms, starting with the same side, meaning let's just start on the left. Is there anything I can do just on the left side of the equation? And I always like starting with my variables. So I see that I have 6z and 4z. Now because they're both on the same side of the equation, all I need to do is obey what the signs say. I just simply combine them. I don't need to do any inverse or opposite. They're on the same side, just do what it says. 6z minus 4z is 2z. And I just copy down the 12 and minus 10 equals 18 again. And I still have 12 and negative 10 on the same side. And again, I don't do anything opposite. I just follow what it says. 12 minus 10 is 2. So 2z plus 2 equals 18. All right, so now I have positive 2 and 18, those are like terms, but they're on different sides. Now, because they're on different sides, that's when I need to do the inverse of something. And I always want to get my variable by itself, so that means I should move my 2 with the 18. And I do that by doing the opposite, so I subtract 2 from both sides. So I'm going to get 2z equals 18 minus 2, 16. And then our final step, most of you probably know what to do from here. We divide by 2 on both sides. The 2's cancel. I get z equals 16 divided by 2 is 8. So that is my final answer for number 24.